Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and all others superheroes have power. We all wanted to be superheroes so that we can have power. But the word power is different meaning in physics world. So what is power in physics? The rate at which work is done. Imagine there are two people. They both have the same amount of work, but one person finishes the work faster than the other. So the person who finished the work first has high power. So basically the power is just the ratio of amount of work done. Power, the ratio of the amount of work done and time it takes to do that work done. Unit of power is watt. Power is equal to W divided by T, where W is the work and T is the time. Watt is just joule per second. Joule is the unit of work and second is the unit of time. 25 watt power means 25 joule work done in 1 second.